Hello students, I Parnika, your computer teacher is here.
Now today we'll be talking about changing the text alignment. So what does alignment mean? Alignment means changing the position of the text between the left edge, right edge. This is known as changing the text alignment. Once again, I would repeat, text alignment means changing the position of the text between the left edge as well as between the right edges of a page. So there are four different alignments present in MS Word 2016. We'll be talking about them one by one. The first alignment which we'll be talking about is the left alignment, wherein your all text would be aligned towards the left. Your text would be aligned towards the left of the page. This is the page and this is the left one, so left of the page, so your text would be aligned towards the left. Okay, so this is the by default text alignment of MS Word. MS Word by default text alignment is left alignment. First we will see where do we get the alignments options. Where do we get the alignments option? In under the home tab, we will see a group. Where is the group? Here is the group. The group name is the paragraph group. The name of the group is paragraph group. Under the paragraph group, you are able to see here, these are the text alignments. These are the text alignments. By default, always the text alignment would be chosen as the left align. See here, blue is the selected one, which is the left alignment. Okay, so with the help of left, what happens? All your text is aligned towards the left edge of the page. Now moving further, if we talk about the next alignment is the center alignment. The next alignment is the center alignment. This is the center alignment. What does the center alignment helps us in? In this, the selected text is at the center of the page. The text is at the center of the page. We will see here, everyone. See carefully. First, we will choose the text and we will see it is center aligned. So once a text is center aligned, it would be coming like this. Okay, so this is centered aligned. Okay, so this is center aligned, not left aligned, not right aligned. It is centered aligned. Now moving further, we will talk about the align left, sorry, align right. Before moving forward, I would like to tell you about the center. What happens in the center? It is mainly used for the titles, headings and quotes. When we are writing the titles, once we are writing the headings, once we are writing the quotes, then we use the center alignment. Okay, moving forward, align right. What does align right helps us in? In the right alignment, what happens? All the selected text moves towards the right edge of the page. It moves to the right edge of the page. Where is the right edge? I will show you. Here is the right edge. So as soon as you select the right alignment, all the text would be moving towards the right. So let's see. First, I'll select the text. Once I have selected the text, I'll choose the right alignment. Where is the right alignment? Here is the right alignment. As soon as I choose the right alignment, what will happen? The text would be right aligned. See, now it is aligned towards the right. So this is the right alignment. Now moving forward, the last is the justify. The last is generally the justify. Under justify, what happens? The text is evenly distributed between the left and the right edge of the page. It is evenly distributed between the left and the right edge of the page. We will see how. So here you can see this is the right alignment. This is the justified alignment, everyone. This is the justified alignment. Okay. this is the justified alignment. Under this justified alignment, what happens? Once we select the text, and if I click on justify, it will be evenly get distributed between the left edge as well as right edge. Okay, so it is said to be the one which gives a refined look of a document. It gives the refined look of the document. It gives the necessary spaces between the words wherever it is necessary. It provides the spaces, and otherwise justify looks like this. Okay, everyone. Now moving forward, these were the things which were related to alignment of the text. Alignment of the text. Okay, so there are 4 alignments which we talked about. The first one was the left alignment, the second one was the center alignment, the third one was the right alignment, and the fourth one was the justify. Now moving forward, we'll be talking about changing text cases. Changing the text cases. What changing text case means? In MS Word, you can easily change the text case of the selected text. Changing text case basically means converting the selected text to any of the following. Like you can change it to capital letter, you can change it to small letter, or you can change it to the combination of small and capital letter. So changing text case means changing the case of the text to lowercase, uppercase, or combination of lower and upper case. So there in MS Word, types of test cases or the case conversions available with MS Word is 5. There are 5 test cases available with the Word 2016. We'll be moving one by one and we'll be seeing what these test cases provide us with. So first test case is the sentence case. Before moving towards the cases, first I will tell you how you can actually go ahead and change the text cases. So we have to move